Hello everyone, and I hope you all are good, healthy. Okay, today I'm going to teach you about Python. Today in this session I will teach you about what is Python, why Python is essential for data science, features of Python, and what can we do with Python, versions of Python and flavors of Python. Okay, what is Python? Python is an open source interpreted high level language, and it provides a great approach for object oriented programming, and it is developed by Guido van Rossum. And one interesting fact about Python is that its name is not after Python a snake. Its name is given by the Guido van Rossum sir, because he likes more Monty Python flying circus, so he gives the name. The programming language is Python. Okay, and why Python? Why it is a so popular language today? Python is a so popular language in terms of data visualization, analysis and other stuff. Okay, because Python is one of the best language and used by data scientists for various data science projects and applications. Python provides great functionality to deal with mathematics, statistics and scientific function. It provides a great libraries to deal with data science applications. One of the main reason why Python is widely used in the scientific and research communities, because it is a easy of use and simple syntax, which makes easy to adapt of people, those who are not a background of computer and other engineering background also, they can easily adapt the new things. Okay, and it is also more suited for quick prototyping. And there are most commonly used library for data science are NumPy, Pandas, Matplotlib, SciPy and scikit-learn. Okay, first a NumPy libraries. Why we require these libraries? For example, if you want to access the functions related to that, we have to use that libraries. Okay, first NumPy is a Python library that provides a mathematical function to handle large dimension. Okay, and it also provides various method function for array, matrices and linear algebra. Okay, so if you want to access array, matrix and linear algebra function, for that you have to use NumPy library. Okay, and next one is a Pandas. Panda is also one of the most popular Python library for data manipulation and analysis. Panda provides a useful function to manipulate large amount of structured data. Panda provides easiest method to perform analysis, and it provides a large data structured and manipulating numerical tables and time series data. Okay, so you want to use numerical data and numerical tables and time series function. So for that you have to required and you must write the Panda library. Okay, and next one is a Matplotlib, and this Matplotlib library provide the method for visualization data. Okay, and also used for draw the line graph, pie chart, histogram. Okay, and other types of figures if you want to draw. For that we have to use Matplotlib libraries. Okay, and next one is a SciPy, is another popular libraries. Okay, and SciPy is used for optimizing linear algebra, integration, interpolation, spatial functions. Okay, and if you want to access linear algebra, optimization, integration function, that time you have to declare SciPy library. Okay, and next one is a scikit library, and it is used for machine learning also, and they provides SciPy also provide simple tools for data mining and data analysis function. So if you want to access data mining function and data analysis function, for that you have to declare scikit library. Okay, and these are the most common used library for data science. So Python is must for data science because it provides a lots of libraries related to data science. And what are the features of Python? Python is a simple and easy to learn programming language. It is a freeware and open source. Okay, freeware, you don't have to pay a single paisa to get a license to run a software. Open source programming language, high level programming language. It is a portable. Okay, like in previous, when we want to change our mobile number, that time you have to also change your mobile number for portability. Now there is no need of change your mobile number. You can portable with your existing number. Same like here, we have to move the programming Python without changing program. It is interpreted language. What is interpreted? Other programming language. In other programming language we have to first compile and then run, but in Python we can directly run our program and no need of compile. In Python, a Python interpreter take care about compilation. Okay, next one is embedded. We can use other programming language code in Python program, and we can use Python program in another programming language. Okay, it provides a large number of libraries. It is also automatic memory management. No need of free. It is automatically free the memory. Okay, and also it is used for cross platform. Python is available and can run on various operating systems such as Mac, Windows, Linux, Unix, etc. Okay, and most important thing about Python is popular for recent technology like data science, machine learning, AI and IoT. And what can we do with Python? We can use it for web development application, for machine learning. Okay, there are many machine learning applications written in Python. Machine learning is a way to write a logic that a machine can learn and solve a particular problem on its own. For example, products recommendation in websites like Amazon, Flipkart, eBay, etc. is machine learning algorithm that recognizes users' interest. So we have to rate the app or products. So that is the part of machine learning. Okay, so we also use for data analysis, for scripting, for game development. You can also develop embedded applications and desktop applications. And there are many versions of Python. Python 1 released in January 1994, Python 2 released in October 2000, Python 3 released in December 2008, Python 3.8 in October 14, 2019, Python 3.8.6 in released in 24 September 2020, and current version of Python is 3.9 released in 5th October 2020. Okay, there are different flavors of Python. For C program we have to use the C Python. For Java we have to use Jython and JPython. For C# we have to use Iron Python, and PyPy also used for virtual machine. Okay, for Ruby language we have to use Ruby Python, and most important thing for data science we have to use Anaconda Python, and for big data, large volume of data processing to handle huge data. Okay, and we also use for stackless Python for concurrency and for multi-threading concepts. Okay, so we'll thank you so much for watching my video. I will share my another topic, next topic I will share in inshallah in another video. Okay, thank you so much.